Hello, my name is Dana Martinez. I am your driver promise. Today, I will introduce you to that wonderful place that is Cartagena. It is in that Colombia Caribbean. People ate a lot of that food. The night of jazz and free food. I'll you have to us suffering by who that grabbed from the beach when there is hit that just should not have ins na in safe word Cartagena. Receipt have one suppression to courage. Said water to brain look us. And you know that recommends that you have a good time in Cartagena. Are March 1 number. I invite you all to try that the body shabbat white and fruit splash can come to be by void plate more motorbike and car I wait for you very soon to work with Cartagena. Thank you.